In today's top cryptocurrency news, March 01, 2023, in the first new, CFTC press civil charges against former FTX exec Singh parallel to criminal case. Singh's former colleagues Ellison and Wang consented to stays in their CFTC cases. Singh has agreed to submit a consent order proposal in the CFTC case. In the second new, Bitcoin price searches for direction ahead of this week's $710 million BTC options expiry. BTC's recent price swings are the result of regulatory pressure and the Federal Reserve's stance on U.S. inflation. In the third new, Coinbase CEO reiterates that staking products aren't securities. The SEC is broadening its investigation into crypto exchanges and has targeted staking products for potential securities violations. In the fourth new, price analysis 3.1, BTC, ETH, BNB, XRP, ADA, DOGE, MATIC, LTC. Bitcoin started March on a positive note, but historically the month has recorded mediocre gains, which could be an early warning sign for crypto investors. In the fifth new, Ethereum price resistance at $1,750 could reflect traders' anxiety over the Shanghai upgrade. Holding gains above $1,750 remains a challenge for ETH, but derivatives data shows traders believe future downside moves will be limited to the most immediate price support. In the sixth new, Bitcoin's least volatile month ever. BTC price ends February up 0.03%. In dollar terms, BTC price action at the end of February versus the start was unlike any other month. In the seventh new, how to create an NFT treasure hunt. Partner with artists, set rules, promote online, donate funds, and engage a new audience with NFT treasure hunts. In the eighth new, Unstablecoins, Depegging, bank runs and other risks loom. Stablecoins are facing the wrath of regulators amid doubts over reserves and contagion fears. Could a bank run lead to a major depegging? In the ninth new, do Ethereum killers have a future? Here's what the crypto community says. While many of the arguments support Ethereum, some argue that things can still go south for the network. In the 10th new, what is opportunity cost? A definition and examples. Opportunity cost is the potential benefit that is missed out on when choosing one option over another. In the 11th new, Soulbound tokens power new identity solution on Celo blockchain. Masa Finance announced its deployment on the Celo blockchain with its new Prosperity Passport identity solution for users. In the 12th new, Twitter down the same day Jack Dorsey launches decentralized alternative. Thousands of Twitter users were unable to view tweets, while Jack Dorsey's decentralized social network, Blue Sky, grabbed attention online. In the 13th new, The Agenda podcast chats crypto, media, and ethics with Molly Jane Zuckerman. Should crypto media have a universal code of ethics, and what role, if any, should journalists play in promoting crypto mass adoption? In the 14th new, Hodlnaut founders propose selling the firm instead of liquidation. Despite Hodlnaut's creditors insisting on the firm's liquidation, the founders keep trying to save the business and sell it to potential investors. In the 15th new, Bitcoin ATM decline, over 400 machines went off the grid in under 60 days. Between December 2020 and January 2022, more than 1,000 crypto and Bitcoin ATMs were installed each month. In the 16th new, Bitcoin millionaires increased 140% as BTC price crossed $20,000, data. Bitcoin's old 2017 all-time high is still a key level when it comes to long-term investment, data shows. In the 17th new, Jack Dorsey's decentralized Twitter rival enters App Store. The interface of Jack Dorsey's decentralized Twitter alternative, Blue Sky, resembles the look of Elon Musk's social media platform. In the 18th new, Platypus Finance creates compensation portal for users following $9.1 million exploit. The team said that if users find calculation errors, they must submit a form and related evidence before March 3. In the 19th new, Solana plans to improve its blockchain. Here's how. After a network-wide slowdown left users frantic, Solana released plans to improve its latest network upgrade. In the 20th new, US lagging on CBDCs could spell trouble, Crypto Council policy head. A former CIA analyst doesn't believe the Chinese-led CBDC movement on the global stage will replace the US dollar but may cause geopolitical headaches. In the 21st new, gaming engine Unity adds MetaMask functionality among new Web3 tools. Blockchains Solana and Tezos were among the 13 vetted crypto platforms added to Unity's asset store. In the 22nd new, Goldman Sachs still open to crypto hires amid massive 3,200 staff cut. Goldman Sachs digital asset lead Matthew McDermott said the bank remains hugely positive on exploring blockchain applications. In the 23rd new, Binance.US restructuring plan favored by 97% of Voyager customers. An overwhelming majority of Voyager account holders want Binance.US to buy out the firm's assets. In the 24th new, United States CBDC would crowd out crypto ecosystem, ex-Biden advisor. Dalip Singh argues that crowding out cryptocurrencies by establishing a CBDC in the United States would protect the country's national interests. In the 25th new, crypto layoffs decelerate, with layoffs falling to 570 in February. The number is a stark contrast to over 2,900 employees from the crypto industry let go in January. In the 26th new, Tel Aviv Stock Exchange moves toward offering crypto trading. Israel's sole public stock exchange wants to allow its clients to trade crypto but faces regulatory resistance. In the 27th new, France on the verge of passing stringent crypto firm licensing laws. The bill was passed with a vote of 109 in favor and 71 against and will now rely on the approval of President Emmanuel Macron to be signed into law. In the 28th new, Marathon Digital bundles crypto impairment sums, will reissue financials. The Bitcoin miner received a letter from the Securities and Exchange Commission highlighting accounting mistakes it made on multiple financial disclosures. Today's news ends here. Tomorrow there will be more news. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date with cryptocurrency news. See you tomorrow.